Okay, so you are already on SafePal and you want to just add an additional coin because you want to do the Ether Ocean. I'm going to show you how easy that is. You do not need to open another wallet because you already have an existing wallet. You're just going to add a coin. Here next to the search bar, you're going to go next to that yellow thing. If you have a coin, you're going to go to the drop down box. In the search bar, you're going to type OP. Now you see there's a red one and a yellow one. OPBNB is the yellow. You're going to choose the red one, OP Optimism. Okay. Then now it's set. The way that you're going to get your QR code is exactly the same you did the previous time. Or if you're new to this, all you're going to do is you're going to click below the search bar under ETH Optimism. You're going to click there. And now you're going to press receive. And now you're going to make sure you are in the right, correct coin. You will notice that the QR code is exactly the same if you already have another coin. It's up to the person that's loading the coin to make sure that they are going to load what you're asking. So I always ask people, make a screenshot of this, okay? Just so that the person that is going to fund your wallet, because remember they fund a lot of wallets, that they know which coin to fund. Then you're going to press this button at the bottom, this blue one. You're going to press copy. And now you're going to go to WhatsApp. You are going to put that screenshot there so that they know that you know what coin you've chosen. You are going to paste your QR code and then you're going to stick your proof of payment at the bottom where you made an immediate payment so that they can fund your wallet. So now let me show you how to fund your own wallet because I'm going to do it from my one wallet to the other wallet. Not to worry, if you're new, you do not need to do this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my wallet where I know the Ethereum is in. There it is. I'm going to click below the search bar and I'm going to say I want to send money. Now I need the QR address to where I'm going to send the money to, and that is on my WhatsApp. Remember, I pasted it here. So I'm going to copy that, the three dots at the top, and copy. I'm going to go back to SafePal. I'm going to paste it there at the top. And remember, there's always fees involved, so people will ask you to fund the wallet. But because I am doing it from SafePal to SafePal, I'm funding this wallet with 100 Rand, not 110. So I'm going to go next. I'm going to say send. I'm going to put my code in. And there the transfer is complete. It's always good to first refresh. So I go to the back arrow at the top and I click on as if I'm going to send it again. You saw it pop up. I'm going to go back again so you can see the money's out. I'm now going to go at the top with the wallet names and I'm going to go to where it is actually going to go to, and there you can see the wallet is funded. Okay, if it wasn't showing yet, you would press where you got your QR code below search bar. It will refresh. You will go back and your wallet will be funded. Now, the way that you register is also super easy. You are going to press here at the bottom. It says Wallet Market Explore. You're going to press on Explore. You're going to press Search the app. If you are not on SafePal yet, it's going to ask you a few options. Yes, I know the app. Do not tell me again. And you will say confirm or something and you'll come up to this screen. You're going to click. That's all you're going to do there. Now you're going to go back to your WhatsApp because the person now said your wallet is funded and here is the link you need to use. So this blue at the top, I'm just going to press it. It says link copied. I'm going to go back to SafePal and I'm going to hold down there in the search bar and I'm going to paste, or here in the middle at the bottom, you can also press there and it comes up at the top. Now you're going to select your network by clicking on the search bar below here and you're going to type in OP. Now you see there's two options if you have two wallets already. So I'm going to choose the top one because that's the wallet I am creating at the moment. So I press on Optimism and this is how it will come up. You are just going to scroll up a little bit because it's going to say sign up here. You're going to make sure that that is the number you were given. And then here on the blue bar next to it, that circle, you are going to press there, and there will be a green bar appearing at the bottom. And now you're going to press register now. This will come up. You'll just say confirm, and you're going to put in your code. And your registration was successful, and you say okay. It doesn't always come up immediately, so what you can do is press these 3 dots here at the top at the right corner, and you say refresh. Now I sometimes have to do it 3-4 times, but this morning, wow, it actually came in. Now here at the top you can notice it says direct referral link. It's about a HTTPS, and here is a blue block with 2 white envelopes. You're going to press on there. Do you say it? See, it says copied. You're going to say okay. You're going to go to you're going to go send your code to the person that invited you, because we like to keep track of the team. So you've got 2 ways of pasting it in WhatsApp. You see here in the middle, it says HTTPS. You can just click on there, or you can hold here by message for a few seconds, and then the message will appear that you can paste it, and that is the QR. Oopsie. You send that, and that is your referral link that you're going to use to get people in Ocean. Okay. If you go down a little bit, you can see your ID, your sponsor's ID, and eventually when your team grows, I just want you to notice here at the bottom, once you got 1 person in, you can already upgrade. So you will press here on rank upgrade. I'm going to do it anyway because I've got enough money in. So I can already upgrade. I'm going to say confirm, and I'm going to put my code in. It says please wait. So now I'm successfully upgraded. Here are the ranks below. When you join, you just join, and then when you upgrade, you become a frontliner, then a homestead, then a metropolis. You will not see that you are a frontliner because you haven't earned from anybody yet, because you just started out. Okay? Do you see your level rank? It shows you are a frontliner. So once you got your team, you can go check the video of how to check your matrix and your community and how you earn. And welcome, welcome to an exciting, exciting future with EtherOcean.